ॐ अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपः कदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकं। वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरुः श्रीयुतपदकमलं श्रीगुरुन् वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सहगणरघुनाथान्वितं तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्णचैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधाकृष्णपादान् सहगणललिता श्रीविशाखान्वितांश्च। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिन्धो दीनबन्धो जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिकान्त राधाकान्त नमस्तुते। तप्तकाञ्चन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। नमो महावदान्याय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्य नाम्ने गौरत्विषे नमः। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। So today we will be reading from Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 10, Chapter 7, entitled The Killing of the Demon Trinavarta. And text today we will read starting from 33 up to 36. However, on the board 35 verse is written, so please repeat after me. पीत प्रायश जननी श्रुतस्य शुचिरस्मितं मुखं लालयति राजन् जिह्रतो ददृशे इदम् प्रीत प्रायस्य of the child Krishna who was being offered breast milk and was almost satisfied. Janani Mother Yashoda, Sutasya of her son, Ruchi Rasmitam, seeing the child fully satisfied and smiling, Mukham, the face, Lalayati, petting and softly rubbing with her hand, Rajan, O king, Jimbhrata, while the child was yawning, Dadrishe, she saw, Idam, the following. Translation. First I will read translation of verse 33. Dishtva adbhutani bahusho nand gopo brihad bane vasudev vacho bhuyo manaya masa vismita. Having seen all these incidents in Brihadban, Nanda Maharaj became more and more astonished, and he remembered the words spoken to him by Vasudev in Mathura. Verse 24. Ekadar bhakmadaya swankam maropya bhamini prashnutam payamasa stanam sneha paripluta. One day Mother Yashoda, having taken Krishna up and placed him on her lap, was feeding him milk from her breast with maternal affection. The milk was flowing from her breast and the child was drinking it. Translation for 35 and 36 together. O King Parikshit, when the child Krishna was almost satisfied drinking his mother's milk, and Mother Yashoda was touching him and looking at his beautiful, brilliant, smiling face, the baby and Mother Yashoda saw in his mouth the whole sky, the higher planetary system and the earth, the luminaries in all in all direction, the sun, the moon, fire, air, the seas, island, mountains, rivers, forests, and all kinds of living entities, moving and non-moving. Purport by Srila Prabhupada. By the arrangement of Yog Maya, Krishna's pastime with Mother Yashoda were all regarded as ordinary. So here was an opportunity for Krishna to show his mother that the whole universe is situated within him. In his small form, Krishna was kind enough to show his mother the Virat Roop, the universal form, so that she could enjoy seeing what kind of child she had on her lap. The rivers have been mentioned here as the daughters of the mountains. Nagamstad Duhitri. It is the flowing of the river that makes a big forest possible. There are living entities everywhere, some of them moving and some of them not moving. No place is vacant. That is the special feature of God's creation. Here, Pita Prayashas Janani Sutam Ruchirasmitam Mukham Lalayati Rajan Jimbhrato Dadrishe Idam. In this chapter, description of killing of demon Trinavarti is described. And Shukadeva Goswami has already concluded this pastime, killing of Trinavarta. And now Shukadeva Goswami is going to describe another pastime which took place in Mahaban, Gokul. Trinavarta came in Gokul and he kidnapped Krishna and took in the sky. That time, by our calculation, age calculation, Krishna was approximate 1 year old. This pastime takes place when Krishna was 1 year old. So, when Shukadeva Goswami is concluding the killing of demon Trinavarta, he has given a certain comment on what was the effect on the Brajavasi headed by Nanda Maharaj when Trinavarta was killed. So, Kim Nastapa. Here in purport, Srila Prabhupada talks that by the arrangement of Yog Maya, it was Chamatkar or miracle of Yog Maya, that Krishna's pastime with Mother Jashoda were all regarded as ordinary thing. So when such a big, powerful, strong demon was killed, all the Brajavasi, they were giving credit to themselves, and especially Nanda Maharaj. They were talking that we must have performed Kimnas tapas, we must have performed austerity, severe austerity, long austerity. And we must have worshipped, especially Mother Jashoda and Nanda Baba must have worshipped very seriously, nicely, Adhokshajam, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. And they must have performed Isht and Purta Karma. Isht Karma and Purta Karma. And whether they have also maintained the friendly attitude for all living entities, Bhoot Sauhridam. That is reason why, due to their austerity, due to their worshipping the Supreme Personality of Godhead Krishna, since they have performed Purta Karma and Ishta Karma, pious activity, that is the reason why Mother Jashoda and Nanda Baba's son was saved. They were not giving credit that Krishna, Supreme Personality of Godhead, he was so powerful and he delivered, he killed the demon, Trinavarta. Rather, their attitude, since we have performed pious activities, and due to that pious activity performed by us, the child is nicely saved. It is described in Vedic literature when the parents do some nice work, pious activity, punya, then by the punya of parent, the child is nourished and is saved. So the child Krishna, almost he has entered in the mouth of death. During Putana time, Sakat Bhanjan and this Trinavarta, almost Krishna has entered in the mouth of the death. But again he returned from that situation. This is due to Nanda Baba and Mother Jashoda's pious activity performed in this life or in previous life. They must have. And then Dishtya Samandhun Padyan, that is reason why this small child Krishna. He is present in front of us. He is safe, nicely, right in the lap of Mother Yashoda, very safe, though he was in the tight grip of Trinavarta. How he came out from the tight, strong grip of Trinavarta, and now he is giving pleasure to us, all Brajavasi, all the residents of Vrindavan. So, he is saved because our piety, our pious activity. It is described in the Vedic literature. There is nothing beyond in this material world, nothing beyond the reach of a person who have others' interest at heart. If someone is inclined to do good to other people, then nothing is beyond the reach of that person in this material world. Everything available. Vedic literature also describes that we earn happiness by making other happy. If someone is interested to become happy, how we can earn happiness, jubilant situation, pleasure, when we make other people happy. This is the way to earn the happiness. So Mother Yashoda is happy. Her child is safe and safe and smiling face, very happy. This is because Mother Yashoda must have make other people happy. Bhoot Sauhridam, Sauhard. She must have maintained friendly attitudes toward other living entities. She must have given pleasure, sukh to other living entities. That is the reason why that same happiness, pleasure coming in direction of Mother Yashoda. And they were thinking that Trinavarta was delivered, Trinavarta was killed because due to his own sinful activities. Sri Sri Krishna Balaram ki, Sri Sri Radha Shyam Sundar Lalita Vishakha ji ki, Sri Sri Gaur Nitai ki, Sri La Prabhupada ki. So, Trinavarta was killed. They are thinking, their attitude, their mentality, that due to his own sinful activity, no one is responsible for death of Trinavarta. His own personal committed sinful activities, reaction of sin is the cause of his death. And Krishna was saved because of Krishna was so small, tiny child. He has not done so far anything pious activity. The parents must have performed Ishta karma and Purta karma. And now Sukadeva Goswami described this pastime. Krishna did show his universal form to Mother Yashoda. So Krishna manifested his universal form, Virat Rup. He showed to Mother Yashoda. This incident is described. Ekada arbhakam adaya. One day, means when Krishna was 1 year old, one day Krishna was lying on the soft bed in the house of Nanda Maharaj in Nanda Mahal. Arbhakam adaya. Mother Yashoda came near the bed and she lifted Krishna. After lifting Krishna, she put ankam swa ankam arupya. First he picked up Krishna from the bed lifted Krishna from the bed and she placed Swa-ankam in her own lap. In Nanda Bhavan, Krishna, first Mother Yashoda came near the bed, she lifted Krishna and she placed Krishna, put Krishna in her lap. Then Payamasa, she started to feed breast milk. This was Prashnutam Stanam. Prashnutam. The milk was oozing. Milk was flowing automatically from the breast of Mother Yashoda. Milk was oozing, coming out, oozing out. Prashnutam. Prashnutam means automatically milk was flowing from her breast, from the breast of Mother Yashoda. Sneha Pariplukta. And Mother Yashoda was overwhelmed with motherly affection, Vatsalya Bhav, Vatsalya. Into this situation, automatically milk was coming out, leaking out, oozing out, flowing automatically from her breast. And then this Pita Prayasa, Krishna was almost satisfied. He was become satisfied. Pita Prayasasya, who was almost satisfied, Lalayanti, and Mother Yashoda was petting and rubbing, and time to time she was kissing the face of Krishna. This way she was Lalayanti, means she was petting softly on her body, his body, Krishna's body. Sometimes she was gently, very softly rubbing the body of Krishna, and sometimes she was kissing the face of Krishna. At that time, Jimbhrata, while he was yarning, Jambhai, Krishna was almost satisfied with the breast milk and he was feeling a sleeping condition. He felt the emotion of sleeping and then yarning. Yarning means when we intake of breathe involuntarily without our effort, and our mouth is wide open, and in that condition when a child or any person breathe in, the vast quantity of breathing of air, he was breathing involuntarily, it's not his control. That is called yarning. So Krishna was yarning. Jimbhrata, while he was yarning, Dadrishe, Mother Sisa, Mother Yashoda, Sisa idam, this in his mouth, in Krishna's mouth. We should must remember this pastime that Krishna was right in the lap of Mother Yashoda. And then what Mother Yashoda saw, come. Mother Yashoda, her next verse describes, she come. Whole outer space, a sky was visible. Mother Yashoda was able to see within the tiny small mouth of Krishna. Come. Come means Akash, outer space. All outer space is the vastness, totality. It was seen in the mouth of Krishna by Mother Yashoda. And also Mother Yashoda, row the sea. Come row the sea. Row the sea means heavenly planet, upper planetary system, as well as earthly planet, and not only earthly planet but also in the lower planetary system. So within the mouth, Mother Jashoda rode she, heavenly planet, all heaven, upper planetary system, earthly planet, middle planetary system, as well as lower planetary system. Jyotish Anikam, and all luminaries. Asham, all direction. Direction means north, east, south, west. All 10 direction headed by 4 more important direction: east, south, west, north. Beside this, there are 10 directions. All directions were visible. Mother Jashoda saw in the mouth of Krishna, and also Mother Surya. Mother Jashoda saw in the mouth of Krishna Surya, the sun. Indu means moon. Tarka, all the stars, shining stars, which is visible, or anything visible, shining object in the sky. And Ambudhi means sea, sagar, oceans, all the ocean. You know, Ambudhi means Sapta Samudra, like Indian Ocean, Atlantic, Pacific, these are the oceans. So all the oceans, along with own vastness, totality, entirety, it was seen by Mother Jashoda in the mouth of Krishna. Dvipan, Dvip means islands. You know, on the this creation universe, the Jambu Dvip, Jambu Island, Plaksh Dvip. There are many Dvip, Salmali Dvip, these are called Dvip. So Mother Jashoda was able to see all islands within the mouth of Krishna. And then Nagans, Nag means mountain. All mountains, all important mountains. Mountain, you know, Sumeru mountain, Himalaya mountain, Vindhya Parvat. In south there is a very celebrated mountain, Shahib, and Chitrakoot mountain, Gandhamadan Parvat, as well as very famous, familiar, known to us, Govardhan Parvat. All the mountains were seen. Mother Jashoda was able to see all important mountains in the mouth of Krishna. And daughters of mountain means river. All the rivers Mother Jashoda was able to see within the mouth of Krishna. River, you know, कुछ जानते हैं ना कुछ महत्वपूर्ण नदियों के नाम. Mother Jashoda was seeing all flowing river in the mouth of Krishna, like Ganga, Saraswati, Ganga, Jamuna, Saraswati, Mansi Ganga, Krishna, Kaveri, Narmada, Brahmaputra. These are the and also Mississippi. You know, Mississippi, very long river flows in America, United States. So Mother Jashoda was able to see all flowing rivers in the mouth of Krishna. And Banani, forest, all forest. You know, you must know that some important forest on the earthly planet or even heavenly planet. The most important forest is Vrindavan. Besides Vrindavan, there are other 11 forests in Braj area. So all 12 forests of Braj, they were visible in the mouth of Krishna. Mother Jashoda was able to see all the one. Not only those, we have heard that in heavenly planet there is also very nice, glorious bun called Nandan Bun. It is Nandan Bun personally, it is maintained by demigods. Nice. The demigod, they have used all their expertise to maintain that Nandan, very glorious forest in heavenly planet, Nandan Bun. And the other one are Chaitarath Bun. So all forest existing in universe was seen in the mouth of Krishna. Mother Jashoda was able to see those. So here Srila Prabhupada in this purpose talk about that. By the arrangement of Yog Maya, Krishna's pastime with Mother Jashoda were all regarded as ordinary. For Mother Jashoda and all the pastime, it was not, they were never considered Krishna as the Supreme Personality of Godhead. One thing we know that Krishna also did show, Krishna showed his universal form to Arjuna in the battlefield of Kurukshetra. A very celebrated incident. There, first of all, Krishna described, talk about his universal form, type of he advertised. And then Arjuna developed a desire to see the universal form of Krishna. And then Arjuna first developed desire to see the universal form of Krishna. First it was advertised. Krishna advertised, he talks about the universal form, how it is glorious, how it is opulent. And then Krishna developed desire to see Driksha. And then Krishna requested, Arjuna requested that, my dear Lord, I want to drashtumikshami Rupam Aishwaram. I want to see your Aishwar Rup, most opulent, universal form. And then Krishna says, no, you can see with your own ordinary eye, you will be not able to see my universal form. That is reason why, Dadami te takshu, divyam dadami te takshu. I will give you divya chakshu, divine eyes. By the help of that eyes, you will be able to see me. And then Krishna manifested his universal form in the battlefield of Kurukshetra. When Arjuna saw that universal form, immediately he became very much afraid, scared. And he did not like. Again he requested, no, I don't want to. He becomes very much. And his Sakhya Bhav, his friendly attitudes to our Krishna. Previously he was saying that Krishna is my friend. I am friend of Krishna, I am brother of Krishna. But that bhav, that mood, that was minimized. Arjuna could not maintain the intactness of that attitude. Again he requested, my dear Lord, please come in this form. Here we see about Mother Jashoda. When Mother Jashoda saw the universal form, when Mother Jashoda was seeing the universal form, don't think that sometime in school we see the map of universe, different country, earth. Not like this. Mother Jashoda was able to see all with all vastness, greatness, wideness. Not that it was minimized in akar. Everything, all its vastness, its greatness, grandness, in totality. When Mother Yashoda, first of all, Mother Yashoda did not have any desire to see this universal form. She has no interest at all. She did not requested Krishna. She did not, first she had no any desire to see other form other than this baby form of Krishna, universal form. No question of any desire, iksha. And she did not request at all, no question. She was not interested at all to see. And besides, when she saw that universal form, immediately she closed her eyes. She was very much indifferent. She did not want to see that. She closed her eyes. She was very much indifferent. She has no any tinge of interest to see that universal form. Then, why Krishna manifested his universal form in front of Mother Yashoda? Here Srila Prabhupada mentioned that it was arrangement of Yogamaya. Since Mother Yashoda was very much in distress condition, one after another, the baby was put in danger. Krishna was put. Putana came. She tried her level best to kill Krishna. But Krishna was safe. Shakatasur came. And recently this Trinavarta came. So the whole situation was surrounded by dangers, some vipat. So Mother Yashoda concern was about the safety of Krishna. How I can save, how I can protect my child. So she was in great anxiety. So Yogamaya wanted to pacify Mother Yashoda. Mother Yashoda, the child he was holding, placing in your lap, he is not ordinary child. You want to see his opulent, majestic form. So it was arrangement of Yogamaya that Yogamaya arranged. Yogamaya arranged such a way, Leela Shakti says that Mother Yashoda should be pacified and should be very consoled that his child remains safe. So it was arrangement of Yogamaya. But Mother Yashoda was not interested at all. Her mood never changed. His Vatsalya. Mother Yashoda was thinking that I am mother and Krishna is my child. Motherly affection. Arjuna friendly Sakhya Bhav, he could not put intact. But Mother Yashoda Vatsalya, though she was able to see universal form of Krishna within the mouth of Krishna, her Vatsalya, motherly affection was not minimized at all. It was put intact. So this is the difference between the bhav of a Brajavasi. Ramya Kachit Upasana Brajabadhu Vargenaya Kalpita. So this is a special feature of the bhav, attitude, emotion of Brajavasi towards Krishna. Though even attempt of Yogamaya or attempt of Leela Shakti was failure. She could not change the mood, emotion, bhav of Mother Yashoda. Rather, when Mother Yashoda saw the universal form, Virat Roop in the mouth of Krishna, her motherly affection, Vatsalya, not that it was intact. Of course, it remained intact, but same time it increased. And immediately Mother Yashoda closed her eyes. She was thinking some ghost, my child is haunted by some ghost, some bhoot, some Rakshasa is playing a trick, is trying to kill my child. Immediately Mother Yashoda closed her eyes and she took shelter of Narayan. she has personal her family deity Shaligram Shila Lakshmi Narayan. She took shelter in the lotus feet of Lakshmi Narayan and she requested, she prayed, my dear Lord, please be merciful enough and save my child from the different type of danger. So this is description, this is almost concluding of this pastime, Mother Yashoda saw the universal form in the mouth of Krishna. Krishna, when Mother Yashoda was holding Krishna in her lap, so size of Krishna did not increase. Even mouth was also, it did not increase. But this is opulence, this is Shakti, Achint, inconceivable potency of Krishna, that he was able to manifest his universal form within the tiny, small mouth of his own, his Krishna. Since Mother Yashoda was looking there, right on the face, on the mouth of Krishna, so Krishna's lips are reddish in color and teeth white, and his gum and tongue is completely red, and the teeth, it appears that pomegranate seed, dadim, it is put in the rose, seed of dadim seed, pomegranate, it was put in, very nice, and though the teeth are whitish in color, but since gum is red, so the red gum is reflecting on the teeth of Krishna. There they become like pomegranate seed. And whole universe, along with all vastness, its wideness, its grandness, its totality, in entirety, everything was visible in the tiny, small mouth of Krishna. So, though it was more opulent, majestic form, then Arjuna also, he was able to see the majestic form, or universal form, that this Mother Yashoda saw, that was much more greater, much more bigger than Arjuna. Still, Mother Yashoda, motherly affection or Vatsalya was kept intact. Her mood is that I am mother and this helpless, innocent child is my son. Okay, so here I should stop. If you have any question or any comment, you are welcome. कोई प्रश्न नहीं है ना? लीजिए सर, माइक से प्रश्न. What?
Arjuna requests Krishna to show the universal form. Here, voluntarily Krishna he showed his universal in his mouth. He want to test Mother Yashoda's Vasudeva Baba?
No, I already. Mother Yashoda was not interested to see any other form other than baby form of Krishna. she never ever requested. Still, how come that Yog Maya or Krishna personally did show this far? So that we have discussed this point, because one after another some difficulty, some danger, some vipada were coming in direction of Krishna. Putana came, Shakat demon came, now Trinavarta came. So Mother Jashoda was very much concerned. She was thinking, how can I save my child, protect my child? Everywhere danger. So Yog Maya, or say Leela Shakti, wanted to pacify Mother Jashoda, console Mother Jashoda, Mother Jashoda, don't worry, the child you are holding, placing in your lap, he is not ordinary child. He is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. So, Yog Maya wanted to impress, wanted to tell, wanted to talk about majestic form, opulence of Krishna. So Mother Jashoda, he is Supreme Personality of Godhead. Why I should worry? He will become satisfied, pacified. So for that reason, Yog Maya or Leela Shakti manifested that form. She wanted to convince that Mother Jashoda, your son is not an ordinary child. He is not an ordinary child. He is a Supreme Personality of Godhead. He is such an opulent, majestic form. He is a Supreme Personality of Godhead. But in this regard, Yog Maya or Leela Shakti was failure in her attempt. She could not change the mood of Mother Jashoda. Mother Jashoda never ever think the child that he is Supreme Personality of Godhead, his permanent mood was intact, that he is my child, helpless child. Unless and until I protect him, I feed him, he will not be safe. So, Yog Maya or say Leela Shakti or Krishna, they were failure in their attempt to pacify Mother Jashoda, convince Mother Jashoda that your son is Supreme Personality. They want to change the mood, his Supreme Personality of God. Like when Arjuna saw the universal form, his mood was Sakhya Bhav minimized. No, it was my mistake that I was thinking that you were my friend. You are such a Supreme Personality of Godhead. And I started offering prayers, touching the feet of universal form Krishna. But here Mother Jashoda, no. Her mood did not budge even an inch, fraction of inch from his original situation. Okay, here I should stop here. So Granthra Srimad Bhagavatam ki, Srila Prabhupada ki.